Which of the following is in the increase order of penetrating power? So you got alpha, beta and gamma rays. So penetrating power of alpha is lesser than penetrating power of beta, and penetrating power of gamma is 100 times better than that of beta. So penetrating power of alpha is the least, beta rays is slightly more, 100 times more than that of alpha, and penetrating power of gamma rays is 100 times greater than that of beta also. So the increasing order is from alpha to beta to gamma. Hence option A is the right answer.